the most important ingredient, the most vital ingredient to every form of mammalian life comes from the environment. What am I talking about? I'm talking about oxygen. Oxygen. Nobody here, none of your viewers and you standing here, and certainly myself, cannot hold their breath for 10 minutes.
Sure.
You try holding your breath for 10 minutes, and sometimes when I lecture, people, I ask them, okay, anybody here, can you hold your breath for 10 minutes? And once or twice you get a few people say,
who wants
okay,
to try?
I'm going to try.
They turn blue.
Before they collapse, we say, okay, breathe, 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 Yeah, because you need the oxygen. Then we say, okay, where does the oxygen come from? It comes from the photosynthesis processes of the environment, that is
itself,
the green leaves.
yeah.
Yes, yes. So the most essential commodity for sustaining human life, with which you cannot survive without for 10 minutes, comes from this environment, this life support system. So, to my limited intelligence, I felt, well, it kind of makes sense to protect that, which gives you what you cannot survive without for 10 minutes, oxygen. And then you go to the water, then you go to the arable land for the food and so on and so forth. So it just makes a lot of sense. And over the years, we now discovered, or we now realized, that the environment was being negatively impacted. And scientists had been telling us this. They said,
warning.
They've been warning us. They told us, look, we're over-carbonizing the environment. We're disturbing the natural carbon ratios that make planet Earth tick, that make planet Earth a livable planet, as opposed to all the dead planets all over the place, And we're disturbing those ratios too much, and we're creating global warming, which is creating climate change, which is leading us to a situation that could turn catastrophic very quickly. And we've seen little pockets of this here, there, and everywhere. So, in order to play my little bit, I said, okay, let me resist the temptation to develop an estate, and we already have these mature, beautiful palm trees. Let's convert.
You'll be so sad to convert.
Exactly. Let's convert a portion of this land, a large portion of this land, as a park for Lagos, a park for Lekki, and we actually call Lufasi Nature Park the lungs of Lekki.
Nice.